Cardano getting ready to enter a price discovery phase for the first time in its life in a full bull cycle. What price targets could we realistically anticipate for Cardano as cryptocurrency markets in general potentially get ready to enter the most bullish 12 to 24 months in history? What's up, everyone? Thanks for coming by Crypto Capital Venture. Hit that subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and let's jump in to the video. Cardano, I've been talking about it, particularly all-time highs. Price discovery. What does this look like for Cardano? I want to just point out back here, the bull market high, the end of the bull market. Cardano, very short-lived, didn't get to experience the full bull cycle. And that's what I want to talk about in this video, because really, if you look at Cardano charts, weekly zoomed out, it's pretty much just lived within a bearish environment. Even right now, trading at the average, really, of the last couple of years or so. Obviously, you can see Cardano making some moves, breaking a previous lower high, and then also a previous lower high, getting ready to test this lower high from the summer of 2018, right around 19-20 cents. It's on its way up, but has still yet to experience that bull cycle, that price discovery that many other altcoins did get to experience. And we're going to use those historical charts to help give some hints, some clues into the possibilities for Cardano. Bitcoin zoomed out. For context, we're going to be using this area actually for this video. That is Bitcoin basically entering the bull market. So this charting you see, in particular this green rectangle, is a Fibonacci retracement. That is what I've been calling the doorways to the bull market, and I'm anticipating the same thing here for this next bull market. We're not broken through yet. Many disagree, and that's okay. This is the way I do my technical analysis. Confirmation will be above 16,000, as confirmation back then was right above $950 or so. Confirmation of the bull market. That's a swing high in 2013 to the swing low in 2015, back up to this resistance area, finally breaking through. We're waiting for the exact same thing, bull market high, bear market low, back up to break through. We're not there yet, but we are close, and you can see Bitcoin right now compared to back then, this is kind of where we are. Now, Cardano didn't experience all of this, and that's kind of what we're exploring in this video. So I want to say this, please, for the sake of this video, put your bias aside, Cardano fans, because we will be using Ethereum on the charts to really get an idea of what's potentially, realistic for Cardano. So real quick, two areas on these Ethereum charts. This is December 2016, and this is like March, April 2017. Again, that is this area right here, and you can see it. I basically put these notes here, December 2016, and then March, April 2017. It's really Bitcoin entering that whole area, seeing some resistance, finally getting above, breaking into the bull market. That's the area we're looking at. And this is what Ethereum did at that time. Now, let's actually put for context what it did do. So from Bitcoin testing that first area to breaking through, all the way to the next bull market high, Cardano saw around 20,000% gains. Now, am I saying that because Ethereum did that in the last cycle, Cardano is going to do that? I'm not saying that, and actually just for context, I'm going to zoom way out here on the weekly. 20,000% gains for Cardano will be around a $28 Cardano. 20,000% gains, $28 Cardano, not realistic in my opinion. There's probably some people that disagree, but that's not the type of crazy bullish content you're going to get on this channel. I like to be realistic because we live in a world where if you're realistic, you can really see some gains and you can experience some success, right? So let's be a little more conservative here and bring it back down to around, let's say, $5, 3,500% gains, where we started this video. Now, I want to explain why that's possible. And I did a video talking about this probably 2 to 3 weeks ago or so. And if we go look at cryptocurrency market cap in general, we see Cardano is now a top 10 cryptocurrency. So not only is Cardano, not only does it have so much going on for it in terms of its project, the technical side of things, its timeline, roadmap, we have Coinbase potentially getting ready to be listed. We have staking getting ready early August. All of these things happening, and we haven't even entered the bull market. So there's a lot of room for pre-bull market price discovery. So the question is, what is Cardano price going to be trading at when Bitcoin actually breaks through above 16,000? What's the price of Cardano going to be at that point, right? We don't even know that yet. So right now, obviously, we're around 14 cents, but we might have some pre-bull market upside too for Cardano with all of these things happening in the next 2 to 4 weeks or so. So not only are we a top 10 cryptocurrency, or Cardano is a top 10 cryptocurrency now, but this is the first time Cardano is getting ready to enter a full bull market cycle. So if we go to a speculative spreadsheet that I've showed before, this is basically considering the same percent that Cardano traded at versus Bitcoin at the last all-time high, 20,000 and $1.33. And if we speculatively say Bitcoin trades at $80,000, Cardano at the same percent could be $5.32. It gives us a $137 billion market cap. And since we're even using Ethereum in this video, right, we're using this chart for context. When Ethereum hit its all-time high last time, it was 134 billion market cap. So 3 years later or so, 4 years later, whatever we end up being, isn't it realistic that a top 10 cryptocurrency like Cardano, after all this time has passed, we're in a new bullish cycle for cryptocurrency, even more bullish, in my opinion, couldn't it hit the same market cap, right around 137 billion at a $5.32 Cardano? I really, truly believe so. I truly also believe Ethereum will surpass 134 billion in market cap. I think it's going to have a higher market cap at the next all-time high than Cardano. However, I think for this top 10 cryptocurrency now, Cardano has so much upside, and $5, very, very realistic in my opinion. So I wanted to really give some just different perspective in terms of integrating Bitcoin charts, the Bitcoin bear cycle to bull cycle, what that looks like, and how that might play into Cardano charts. But at the end of the day, like I said, the price discovery is just starting for Cardano. We've been trading in a bear market phase, I guess you could say, through most of Cardano's lifetime. It has an experience. And how will it react to a bull market cycle? That's the question. We can be very speculative about it, but I think this 3,500% gain, $5 Cardano is a nice area to speculate. I think it's realistic. At the end of the day, you have to come up with your own plan. If that were ever to happen, on the way up, what does that look like for you and your portfolio? That's for another video. I appreciate all of you coming by. Time for me to sign off for the day. It's a beautiful Saturday out there. Let me know your comments below. What do you think the next all-time high for Cardano will be? Just post a comment below. I want to see. I think $5 realistic. Like I said, time will tell. If you're here and not a subscriber, hit the subscribe. I appreciate you cruising by. Hit that like on the way out. I will see you all in the next video. Have an awesome day, and God bless.